How to create an international TikTok account all by yourself for free from anywhere you are right now in Africa without using VPN and without logging out from your account, your TikTok account where you are seeing this video now. Let's go. First, you need to have created a new Gmail account for this. Okay. So go to your Google Chrome on your phone and create a new Gmail account. It's important you do it with your Google Chrome browser in your phone so that when you want to sign up on TikTok with that email, it will easily pop up. Okay. So go now to your Google Chrome, type gmail.com and create a new account. Go to create account and create a new account, a new Gmail account. Having created that, now we go to the steps, about 6 to 10 steps, simple steps, and you are there. The first, click on your profile icon, the last icon at the bottom of your TikTok. It has an icon of a picture. So click on it. When you click on it, here will show up like this. Okay. This is a new TikTok account, but this one is not UK. So you can see there's no following and there's no follower. So I'm using this so that TikTok will not hit me because I'm giving you a free tip. Okay. So now what you do next is click up here on the name of your TikTok account. Then you will see add account. If you have other accounts, just scroll till you see add account. That's the second step. The first step is you click on your profile picture or profile icon rather, and then you click on the top of your account where you have the name, and then you come down here where it says switch account. Then look down and you see add account. Click on add account. Now you've clicked on add account. Here is where the magic happens. What do you do now? Look at the default country. For me, if you check down here, the default country here for me is Nigeria. So click on that default country. When you click on it, here shows, here is where the magic happens. Now, I want to do this very one for UK TikTok. So what do? I go to search up here and put, you will not see UK, so you type okay, see United Kingdom has popped up. So I click on United Kingdom. Can you see here now? The default country has changed from Nigeria to United Kingdom. Okay, so I said this is where the magic happens. Okay, so what I will do next is go up now to where you have continue with Google. So I click on continue with Google. I've just clicked on that. It's opening up now. So here are different accounts of mine. So I want to select an account I open newly, a new Gmail account I open newly. That's what I want to use for this. And it should be somewhere at the bottom. See it here, right? Yes, I click on it. Okay, just a moment. So here now, I'll just input birthday dates. Let me choose this. Choose April. Choose, let me just choose something. Here, I'm choosing my birthday date. Be sure the date you are putting be consistent with the date because you might need it for account recovery if anything should happen. So I've done that. Next, now it brought out a name. What name do I name this now? Okay, let me say, okay, let me say premium autos, premium autos, because I write too. Okay, and I do content creation. So confine. We are done. We are done creating the account. So let's check now what we've done. This account we just created now. Okay. Premium authors. Can you see it here? Look at what it looks like. Now let's go to our profile area. Can you see here now? You see balance. It is creators to balance my QR and other things. Now let's go to creators to creator tools. Can you see creator reward program? That's what everybody is looking for, trying to create a UK or an international TikTok account about. Okay, so this is it. It works seamlessly. So this is how you can all by yourself create an international TikTok account without paying anybody a dime and without even logging out from your TikTok account. Just about 6 to 7 steps, and we are there. So, what you do now, follow me on this page. Okay, follow me on this page for more interesting tips on how you can begin to create unique content. I'll show you how to create this easily and faster. Okay, so that you can maximize this account and get paid. Remember, they don't pay you just because you created an international account. They pay you because you create content, original content. So we'll be looking at that, but follow me if you want to know how to do that easily and, of course, very fast without spending so much of data. Okay? I'm Onyin. I hope you love this video. Keep sharing it and let's converge here to learn more.